Hi, I will teach you how to align the vertex from this to this. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you. First, go to edit mode and choose vertex. You can choose toggle X-ray so all the vertex from behind will be visible. Select all the scattered vertex, click on your keyboard Z, and then S, and then 0. Okay, now all the messy vertex are aligned. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!